A few years ago, who would have thought that data scientists, data analysts, and business analysts would be the top in the fast growing tech careers list? Guys, data scientists, data analysts, and business analysts are so popular that these careers offer competitive salaries. However, the salary potential can vary based on several factors like location, industry, years of experience, and individual skills. So, without waiting any further, let's start with the most popular and growing field first, which is data science. Data science is evolving super fast and it evolves solving different data related problems. But do you know the main advantage? You don't have to be a technical expert or have a good coding experience. Just a simple graduation from any field can opt for data science. You will work with complex data sets to extract insights and solve business problems effectively here. Data scientist salaries are often among the highest in the industry, and experienced data scientists with advanced degrees and specialized knowledge can earn substantial salaries. The salary ranges between 3.6 lakhs to 25.4 lakhs with an average annual salary of 12 lakhs per annum. Moving on to the profession of data analyst. Data analyst focuses on collecting, analyzing and interpreting data to provide insights and support organizational decision making. They work with data visualization tools, conduct data mining, and create several reports to present findings. Data analyst salaries can vary depending on the organization and the level of responsibility, but they generally offer competitive pay. The salary of a data analyst ranges from 3 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum if you are at a senior level. The third popular role is of a business analyst. They bridge the gap between the technical and business sides of an organization. They analyze business process and gather requirements and propose solutions to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Business analysts need a blend of technical and business skills, including data analyst, project management, and communication. Salaries for business analysts can be lucrative, especially for those with extensive experience and expertise in specific industries. The salaries of a business analyst ranges from 3 to 5 LPA to 15 LPA, depending upon the organization and the location. Ultimately, all the three careers offer strong earning potential and growth opportunities. It's advisable to consider your personal interests, skills, and career goals when deciding which path to choose. With this, let's move on to the other part of this video and check out what skills and responsibilities are required for the role of data analyst, business analyst, and data scientist. Starting as a data analyst, your primary responsibility will be to collect, clean, and analyze data to uncover meaningful insights. You will work with various tools like SQL, Excel, and statistical software to process, analyze data sets. Strong analytical skills, attention to detail, and proficiency in programming language like Python or R are essential for this role. Data analysts are often involved in generating reports, visualizations, and dashboards to make businesses make data-driven decisions. Moving on to the role of a business analyst to see how it differs from a data analyst. Certainly, as a business analyst, your primary focus will be understanding business operations and identifying areas for improvement. You will work closely with stakeholders to gather requirements, analyze business process, and propose solutions. Business analysts use techniques like data modeling, process mapping, and requirements gathering to bridge the gap between business needs and technology solutions. While data analyst is a part of business analyst toolkit, their role is broader, encompassing strategic planning, project management, and stakeholders communication skills. Moving further to know what skills and responsibilities a data scientist holds. So a data scientist handles data analysis, statistics, and programming. Their primary goal is to extract actionable insights and build predictive models using advanced statistical techniques and machine learning algorithms. Data scientists delve into complex data sets, often involving unstructured or big data, to develop models that can make predictions or solve specific problems. Programming, data manipulation, statistical modeling, and machine learning are some essential skills for a data scientist. So finally, moving on to the next section of this video, which is about exploring the educational background and qualification requirements for each role. So, data scientists often have a bachelor's degree in fields like mathematics, statistics, computer science or economics. While a formal education is valuable, practical experience in data manipulation, querying language and data visualization tools are equally important. It's common for data analysts to continuously upskill themselves by taking courses in relevant areas or even earning certifications. Moving on to the business analyst part, they come from diverse educational backgrounds, including business administration, management, finance, or informative systems. A bachelor's degree is generally required, but an MBA or other advanced degrees can provide a competitive edge. Business analysts also benefit from industry-specific knowledge and certifications like Certified Business Analyst Professional, CBAP, or Project Management Professional, that is PMP. At last, let's see what a data scientist holds. I will say that anyone from any background can become a data scientist, business analyst, or a data analyst. The best part is when you don't have to be technical expert or a coder or have a prior specific qualification. A graduate from any field can opt for data science, business analyst, or data analyst course. You just need to have a will to learn and explore. That's it. Anyhow, having any technical programming background is an advantage. Guys, popular companies are going crazy and hiring data scientists, business analysts, and data analysts regularly. Companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Adobe, Spotify, PayPal, and many more large and small companies are hiring data analysts, business analysts, and data scientists. But you have to keep in mind that the demand for these roles can vary depending on the industry and location. It's always a good idea to explore job search websites, professional networking platforms, and companies' career pages for the most accurate and up-to-date information on job opportunities. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Subscribe to Fingertips for more informative content. Also hit the bell icon right now to stay updated to our latest videos. Till then, happy learning!